seeing something soon. Oh, whatever it is, it come out that 10-foot hole.
That's an eel.
Tell me it's an eel.
Yep.
Oh man. Look at that. You know what that is? That's good catfish bait for sand tea. Ain't it?
Yep.
I just knew that was going to be a nice catfish. I never thought it would be an eel. Eels. You're a nasty little bugger. I don't want him to slime up the line. Now we got catfish bait for sand tea.
That's right.
Oh, right. Somebody told me they are good catfish bait.
Slice them up into chunks.
Yeah. So we'll see. We're not going to use them today, but we'll put them in the freezer.
Alright, Chad's hooked up again.
Oh, this one's a little bit better.
With another big old brim.
Okay. We just had a boat come by with a man and his wife, and I guess they've been fishing this morning. He said they caught one fish. So Paul and I, we ain't never been here ever, and we got several fish.
Yep.
Now I'm not saying that I'm any better of a fisherman than anybody else, but folks, when you go out here and you're in a place like this, you got to find the holes. If you find the holes, you can catch the fish. Now I got Paul in the front monitoring the depth finder when we were coming along here, and we found what, a 9-foot
hole.
And we said, well, we're gonna drop right here and we're gonna try it, and it's been productive. I mean, we ain't tearing them up, but we're catching some fish. So when you're out here in a strange place, you got to do that, and you got to find the holes. And the electronics are very helpful. And we don't have an expensive depth finder today. We're using a little depth finder. It's like I think we probably got that at Harbor Freight or something like that.
Yes, Harbor Freight.
On Amazon. And it shows you some fish when there's some fish out there. But more importantly, it shows you where the drop-offs are and where the holes are. So when you come to a strange place and you're fishing, it's worth your while to
got a bump on that one.
It's worth your while to check out and spend a little bit of money and get a little depth finder. And we're not doing anything fancy here. We are just fishing with worms on the bottom. Paul does have a cricket out. On the edge there, but the cricket's not being real productive right now. Anyway, we'll see if we can get on something else. Maybe this one isn't an eel. Whatever it was, it bit a cricket. Your cork's gone.
Yeah, I got a fish too.
Oh, we got a catfish, boys. Come on. You got yours on?
I think it's another little one.
We got a double.
We got off. Oh, they're still on it.
You are the red breast man.
You're the catfish channel cat.
Well, he's got spots, but
yeah, that's a channel. All right, red breasty, back in the water.
Need to get on some bigger ones. So we've been fishing in this canal. We've just been working the edges and everything, and we caught several red breasts in here. We got looks like a good many in there. It's pretty nice.
Yep, very successful trip.
Yep, successful trip, and we're going to head out of this area, and we're going to try and get back to the main river. So probably cast a little bit on the way. So anyway, we did real good so far. It's a little easier to film now because the sun's to our back, so, and it's probably easier to control the boat because the wind's to our back. Because Paul was fighting the wind the whole time coming into this area. So